Hello everyone, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you some formulas. I am going to show you how to use these formulas, and these formulas are so useful and helpful. I am going to talk about subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, average, count, maximum, minimum, and transpose. So let's get started. Now I am going to show you how to subtract numbers. Here you cannot see the full name in this cell, right? You can use an option, and this is known as wrap text. And you can use this icon for numbers. I'm going to calculate the value here. As you can see, I just got my result. Select a number or select the cell. You can just drag this one and you will get all of your results. Anyone can do this. This is very basic and simple. Now I'm going to the next formula, multiplication. In this table, we can see there are 5 items. There are quantities and unit prices. If you calculate the total price, you have to multiply it. Just select the quantity, press star, and select the unit price cell. You will get the result. Star is used for multiplication sign in Excel. You can drag this and you will get the result. We can use a sum formula here, or you can use the auto sum. Let's go to the next formula. If anyone wants to divide any number, just press equal, select the number, use slash, select the number here. Let's go to the next section. We can find out the average of these numbers, and this is so simple as the sum formula. Select the numbers, use this format. We can use a formula of average. Select the row, close the bracket. You will get the average here. Similarly, you can use it here. Again, I'm going to show you how to calculate average. Go to the icon of summation and you will find it here again. This is more simple. Let's go to the next section. I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage here. In this table, we can see the name of some students, as well as we can see their obtained marks and the total mark. If anyone wants to find out the percentage, he or she can do in this way. Use slash, select total mark cell. Select this cell and use this icon of percentage. You will get the percentage. You can drag it, or you can do another simple thing. Just double click on this plus sign. I'm going to show you again. You can drag it, or just select the column, just select the cell and double click here. This is how we can calculate percentage. Here we go again. Now we are going to find out the maximum numbers from this column. Use this formula and you will find it. So 55,000 is the maximum number from this column. If you want to see the minimum number, you can use this formula. This is so simple, right? For pound, select the column, close the bracket, and you can see there are 4 numbers. You can drag in this way. We will find the maximum numbers from unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, and unit 5. Similarly, we can drag it in row wise, and we will find the minimum numbers as well as counting numbers. Let's go to the last section, and this is transpose. If anyone want to write these words in row wise, no need to write like this. This is so much time consuming. You can use a formula, and that is so simple. Just follow this one. Write transpose. Select the column, close the bracket. Just press enter and you will see the magic. So, no need to type one by one. As you can see, we can use a formula and we will get the desired result. If you select both the columns, you will get the results for both columns, just like this. Again, if you want to select these rows, and if you want to see these numbers and words in column wise, you can use the same formula, just like this. Select both rows. See, this is the most simple way. With that, you can write as you want. So this is it for today. We will be back in our next video. You can write some questions in comment section, or you can suggest us, or you can advise us. I'm going to pick up your questions and I will try to show you how to solve your problems in a simple way. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment, and share.